name is Jerry Bocchino, Pescatore Seafood and Sushi by Pescatore. I have the pleasure of owning both companies. Been here for now going on 19 years. Back then it was quite different. A lot of stuff, especially the market that I'm based in, was all in the construction. Watch it being built as a build out, someone who can appreciate what it takes to build something like this. It was a tremendous undertaking, and I give the guys all the credit in the world. It's fabulous. My favorite update is obviously the market. It's been a tremendous success, a lot of great memories of the market, and to think that the MTA put together a leasing company to find the best of what New York City has to offer. It's like putting together a fabulous football team. I can only, compare it to that. The chemistry works. Everybody in it, it's just a phenomenal marketplace. I think what we're trying to do as Pescatore is we're trying to make it that the average person can afford to buy healthy and good food. Where else in Manhattan, especially Midtown, can you buy a $4 summer roll? You know what? I don't make as much money, but you know what? I turn a lot of volume with them. People can afford to eat. My favorite Grand Central memory has to be the grand opening day. I'll never forget it as long as I live. Growing up on Long Island, coming to New York City, turning the key, locking the doors, opening up the market. And there I am on Channel 2, Channel 4, and Channel 7. I was beside myself with all the interviews. It was very, very exciting, and it's been an adventure ever since.